Hi, my name is Samuel Smith. I'm a visual development artist. This means I paint images to help define the look of animated movies. Over the years, I have worked for several animation studios on commercials, TV shows and movies, such as the movie Klaus for Netflix. The purpose of my work is to facilitate the complex process of making CG movies by painting specific moments of the film, describing the lighting. In order to understand how light works, you need to know the characteristics of it, how it reflects on characters, how it reacts on surfaces, where the source is located, and how it works under different conditions like direct, indirect, cloudy, or a sunny day. When you start learning this and practicing how to translate it into digital painting, you can paint any lighting situation without having to rely on references. Photoshop is my best ally when it comes to digital painting. It allows me to create brushes that are suited to my needs and adjust light in order to create any scenario I have in mind. In this Domestika course, you will learn the principles of light theory as they apply to digital illustration. As a final project, we will be painting the same scene 5 times, each time with a completely different lighting situation. First, I'll show you my Photoshop workspace and the tools that we will use. Then we will learn about concepts such as soft light and hard light, exposure, reflections and translucency. We will start preparing our illustration by creating a basic sketch of a simple character and a minimalistic background. Once this is done, we will create another version of the background to have an interior and an exterior scene. Next, we will start painting our illustration under different lighting conditions: a sunny day, a cloudy day and a starry night. Also, we will paint a room under a sunny day and under artificial colored lights. Finally, we will add some details that will push the realism of our painting. And we will demonstrate the principles of reflections and translucency that you will have learned during the course. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand lighting in order to achieve great illustrations for your projects. In order to take this course, I recommend you have basic digital painting skills. Also, you will need a drawing tablet with Photoshop installed. This course is for anyone who wants to take their digital illustrations to the next level. It's also recommended for professional artists who want to further their understanding of light and color. Learn to apply the principles of light into your own digital paintings.